Welcome back everyone to another tutorial. Today we're going to see how to leverage trade on Coinbase. Firstly, go to Coinbase Advanced, and margin or leverage trading is only available in specific jurisdictions to eligible users. Sign into your Coinbase account, then navigate to Advanced Trade in the menu. If eligible, you'll see margin trading options. Select the crypto pair you want to trade, and then Coinbase may offer up to 3 leverage on supported pairs. Pick your leverage multiplier carefully. Remember, high leverage is high risk. Now choose whether you want to go long by expecting price to rise or short, tell expecting price to fall. Enter the amount and review margin requirements. Keep an eye on your liquidation price and use stop-loss orders to help protect against large losses. Important note, leverage trading is risky. You can lose more than your initial investment if the market moves against you. Thank you guys for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.